Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so it says the Pew Research Center conducted a telephone survey from February 8th to March 7th, 2006, with a national representative randomly selected sample of 2,050 adults. Below is a summary of a selection of survey results. 1,378 people reported that they had gambled at least once in the past year. Of the people who reported gambling in the last year, 771 said that they were behind overall for the year. 415 said they were ahead overall for the year. And the other 192 said they were relatively even for the year. So, according to this survey, construct and interpret a 95% confidence interval for the true percentage of Americans who gambled during this time. So, the 95% true percentage of who gambled during this time, that would be 1,378 out of the 2,050. So 1,378 divided by 2,050. That would be 0. And I'm just going to go, it doesn't say what to round to, so I'm just going to go out 2 decimal places. 67 plus or minus, and it's a 95% confidence interval, so 1.96 times the square root of 0.67 times 0.33 divided by 2,050. So 0.67 times 0.33 divided by 2,050. Oops, 2,050. So that is 0.67 plus or minus 1.96 divided by the square root of 0. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 526. So the square root of 0.123456526 times 1.96, and so that's 0.67 plus or minus 1.56, and so that is a confidence interval of 0.67 minus 1.56. That is negative 0.89, comma 2.23. And then B, according to this survey, construct and interpret a 95% confidence interval for the true percentage of Americans who gambled during this time. So I did that. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the true percentage of gamblers who claim to be ahead for the year. Okay, so claim to be ahead for the year. 415, so that's 415 out of 2050. So that's 0.415 divided by 2050. So that's 0.2 plus or minus 1.96 times the square root of 0.2 times 0.8 divided by, sorry about that interruption, 2050. 0.2 times 0.8 divided by 2050. And so that is, oh my gosh, sorry about that. 0.2 plus or minus 1.96 times the square root of 0. And then it's 4 zeros, 78049. And then the square root of and then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 78049. times 1.96 and 0.2 plus or minus 0.17. So 0.2 minus 0.17. So that is 0.03 comma plus and then 0.37. And then C, then it says for each age range, claim to be ahead, for each age range, fill out the following table that breaks down the table above by percentage. Round to the nearest whole percentage. To help you get started, I've already filled out the percentages for 2 of the age categories. So I found this table here, but you did not have a table that was attached. I did not see a table anywhere attached, so you'd have to resubmit that portion as far as the percentages goes. So just resubmit that portion. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing